Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and right there you will see the sound section. Right now you can see that we can adjust the volume settings from our media, calls, ringtones and notification volume, so you can adjust this just by swapping to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also we can just turn on or turn off the vibration when someone calls to you. Also we got here the don't disturb mode. You can turn or turn off this mode. Also you can just change the notification sound, the alarm ringtone and your calls sounds. Right here we got the advanced options, and if we'll for example turn on this dial pad tones option, when you'll just call to someone you'll hear your dial pad tones, your pad tones, and now if we'll just turn on this function we'll hear when we are locking our screen. You can hear the sounds. Now for example with the touch sounds, you can just hear the sounds when you touch your phone, when you open the applications like this. And also we got here the touch vibrations, so when we will just tap somewhere on your phone you will hear just the vibration. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.